In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Strava, focusing on its basic features in this beginner's guide. Whether you're a runner, cyclist, or just someone who wants to keep track of their fitness journey, Strava is a fantastic tool that can help you along the way. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to download and install the Strava app. You can find it on both the App Store for iOS users and the Google Play Store for Android users. Simply search for Strava, click install, and let your phone do the rest of the work. Once the app is installed, open it to start your setup process. Next, you'll need to create an account if you haven't already, or log in if you do have an existing account. Signing up is straightforward. You can either use your email address or link the app to your Facebook or Google account, making it a breeze to get started. If you're logging in with an existing account, just enter your credentials and you'll be in. Once you're logged in, you'll notice the home screen is where all the action begins. To start recording an activity, tap the record button. It's usually located at the bottom center of the screen and is quite easy to spot. This is your gateway to tracking and analyzing your activities accurately. The next step is choosing your activity type. Strava offers a variety of options ranging from running and cycling to more niche activities like hiking or swimming. Select the one that matches what you're about to do. Picking the right activity type ensures that Strava logs the appropriate metrics for you, such as distance, pace, and elevation. Now you're almost ready to go. When you're set to begin your activity, press the start button. This will begin recording your movement, so make sure you have your phone with you. Once you've completed your run, ride, or chosen activity, simply press stop. After stopping the recording, make sure to save your activity. This is important as it keeps a log of your progress and contributes to your future goals. Finally, take some time to view your stats and progress by heading over to your profile. Here you can see a summary of your recent activities, track your improvements, and set new personal records. It's a great way to stay motivated and see how far you've come over time. And there you have it, you've learned how to use the basic features of Strava. With this powerful tool, you can track your activities, analyze your performance, and continually strive towards reaching your fitness goals. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you on your fitness journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides and tips.